Yeah.
No, you can't record this shit in there.
Why not?
Nah, because we don't trust your phone.
Take all the archives, dog.
No, you're not the archives.
Yeah.
Can I send a quick Snapchat of it?
Alright.
They can't save the picture and there won't be no record.
Alright. Once you're Miguel, you could record Snapchats.
Go ahead. Fertilizer. About to get crazy right now. Let me know.
I like the look.
I do like the look. That's good beer right there, no?
I go next. It's all foamy. Hey, yo, hurry up. I got
That's
what I'm telling you. You wait.
Do this. Here's what I did. Alright, so I did the whole thing.
Look,
It
cheater.
didn't work.
Cheater.
Just take a step back,
Yeah, the
hang with the hand,
Yeah.
and then put yourself up. It's easier.
But you guys are gonna help my legs.
Yeah, of course.
But that looks like all good beer there.
All right, this is all good beer. That's what I'm telling you. This is how it's supposed to pour.
Yeah.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. All right. Ready? Here with my phone.
Here we
And
go.
I want press it all the way.
Yeah.
I just go slowly.
Yes, yes.
I know it's too foamy, son.
That was talking with my phone.
Make sure you Gotti, come here. You're gonna Snapchat, okay? With my phone.
I think your video quality is better than mine, Miguel.
That's an iPhone. That's what it is.
I know, fuck, I need this one. So, when you see him up there, and no space, then you click this one.
Can I see him up there?
Yeah, once he's up there, we're
Ready, let's
making him
do
drink.
this.
Okay.
Right here.
Go as far as you can, where you
real.
can see everything that we're doing.
Alright.
Make sure to aim and don't just fucking hit yourself.
Alright, let's go.
Miguel didn't even try.
Oh, go. Take a picture of this.
Hold on.
What are you doing? Let me,
What else?
my bad, let me go. What are you doing, Mono?
It would fall. I was like, this shit would move. Like,
You try to get in there, like, find out so you can see his face.
okay, one more time.
I'm done with this. You
No.
You gotta do it, dog. You gotta do it. You're almost there.
Yeah.
I'll take care of this, don't worry.
Right.
Okay.
Let me light me go.
I'm just gonna just cover and then you guys pick me up.
Yeah.
160 pounds, dog.
That's it.
It's not that bad.
Can you get it?
Yeah. I got a lot of pictures on him.
That was not that bad.
Alright, good shit. I like this shit. Alright.
Let's go.
Here, let's move this turn.
Oh, I'm
You
good.
said round two, dog. You gotta do it right.
Quick round two.
Yeah.
We do have to have it this way.
All right.